Hey Stunning fam, welcome to another DIY stunning project. Today we will be transforming 2 free kitchens that we found off of Facebook Marketplace. The first one is for Tori's son and the second one is for Brandon and Sarah's daughter. For kitchen number 1, we disassembled the kitchen, spray painted the main components white, and spray painted the accessories black. After all of the pieces were dried, we reassembled the kitchen. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. Kitchen number 2 required no painting. However, it did require vinyl paper due to previous kiddos placing stickers on the backdrop. For the vinyl paper install, we removed the backdrop and used a squeegee to smooth out the vinyl once it was placed on the 1/4 inch MDF wood. We did use an X-Acto blade to cut off any remaining vinyl. Once the vinyl was installed, we placed the backdrop back in the kitchen. For storage on top of the kitchen, we installed a new piece of plexiglass. We used a Forster bit to create a hole to move it back and forth. Next, we sanded down the hole to make all of the edges smooth. We also tightened up all of the loose screws on the kitchen and put all of the original accessories back. Lastly, we are going to make all of the final touches. First, we use black extreme fasteners to Velcro a cup to the kitchen counter to keep the cup of utensils in place. Spoiler alert, this was not toddler proof like we had expected. Next, we installed a broom and mop gripper from the Dollar Tree to the side of the kitchen. You can also buy a mop and broom at the Dollar Tree as well. Lastly, we installed an LED rechargeable bulb. This lights up every time our daughter plays in her kitchen. This also operates well as a nightlight for our house kitchen at night too. We hope that you all enjoyed these kitchen renovations and you are feeling inspired if you were to ever give a refresh to one that you own as well. We hope that you all have a good week and we will see you next time for a recipe video. Take care.